In previous video, we talked about DNet crypto mining app. Now I am back here with new and most profitable 3 mining platforms that can give you thousands of dollars. It depends upon your dedication towards the mining platforms. No one can be overnight millionaire, but you can make some good money with these 3 crypto mining apps. If you don't watch till the end of the video, then nobody can make you rich. My purpose for this video is to help you guys to earn some crypto without investments. So watch till the end of the video and don't skip, because you may skip the step and you may not be eligible to mine the tokens, which is 100% free. Before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed our channel and join our Telegram channel to be updated whenever I upload the new video. The first one is Gradient Network. Gradient node mining airdrop is same like Grass network. The airdrop is supported by Solana blockchain. Solana itself is supporting this Gradient network, then we must not miss this wonderful opportunity. The airdrop is free and doesn't has tough tax to complete. You can earn EXP token and all EXP will be converted into tokens. The step-by-step guide is given below. You can start earning this Gradient free airdrop from today. Second one is DNet mining. DNet, Deep in Storage Layer, a new type of crypto mining app which is like Google Cloud Storage on Web 3.0. Also, it's a blockchain connected device for data storage which provides real world assets WN token for their users. They have officially launched their app on Google Play Store and it is free mining app which allows each users to generate WN tokens while sleeping. Remember, this won't make you overnight millionaire, but it can help you with good money. You have to stay connected with your internet and earn tokens as reward. The last one is Airdrop mining. Airdrop is free crypto mining app for both Android and iOS, which helps you to earn passive income by sharing the unused internet. This crypto mining app is built on Solana blockchain. This project is very unique mining project because you don't have to come in 24 hours to restart mining. It has total supply of 1 billion, where 50% goes to the community. The step-by-step guide to mine Airdrop token is given below. Follow the steps and monetize your unused internet. Well, we have talked about 3 best crypto mining apps which are similar, and they doesn't promise to make you overnight millionaire, but it can give us good amount of money. It totally depends upon the hard work and dedication of the individuals. So this much is for now. If you are new to the channel, subscribe it and don't forget to join Telegram channel to stay updated whenever I upload the new video. Thank you.